In this video, I'll talk about how you can get free stocks on Webull. Now, usually Webull are running some kind of promotions where you're able to get free stocks. So let me show you how it works. Now, the first one here is a sign-up bonus. Keep in mind, this only works in America. So if you're from America and you sign up, usually you'll get an extra stock. Usually these are worth between $3,000 to $3,000. This is how you do it. Just download the app or go to the website, sign up and complete everything. Once you're approved, you'll get your free stock. Now keep in mind, this is only if they run the promotion, but most of the time they do. The next one is a deposit bonus. Now this is also a promotion, I believe. So sometimes it's not going to work, but a lot of the time this is going to work. Sometimes, and you have to read the promotion, but you enter a minimum amount and it will say it in the promotion, but let's say it's $100. And then you're going to receive additional money in stocks. Now, this is basically the same. Just sign up and put in the required minimum amount, and then you'll get the free stocks. Now, the last one is a referral one, which is basically to invite your friends using your link. So if you open up your app, you should have a unique referral link in there. You're going to send this to someone, and if they sign up and deposit money, then you're both going to receive free stocks. So if you send it to 100 people and they all do it, you might get 100, 200, 300 free stocks. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.